21st century skills, there are 4 C. First is the critical thinking. Second is the creativity. Third is the communication. And fourth is the collaboration. So now, let us differentiate them. If we say critical thinking, it talks about our mind, the way we use our analytical method, or the way we balance what is right or wrong, what we needed or not needed to do in order to solve the problem. It is different to creativity because creativity is an action we taken in order to solve the problem. It describes how we are being creative or making something unique in order to solve the problem. And if we say communication, we also think that it is also connected to critical thinking and creativity. But the difference of this is it expresses different ideas in clearest and organized manner. It connects to other people or disturb them sometimes in something that are needed to be communicated if a problem cannot be solved by oneself. Collaboration, the last C of the 21st century skill, is the 21st essential when students are made to work with others in a pair or team. Collaboration has a similarities in communication, but the difference of them is it is the continuation of communication. If we don't communicating others, teamwork will enter between the said activity or the activity that was agreed upon by everyone. Collaboration is the practice of how to relate with others. The 4 C of the 21st century skills are very important to all of us, especially to students like us who needed more learnings in this time of modernization. We all needed to learn and adapt the new methods of our developing world. We need to face everything because everything is going under change. Our world is rapidly changing and we are also changing. Computer is not computing anymore. It is about our life. Media and communication have been among the most rapidly developing. So we needed more skills in order to survive and capable to face and look forward in the challenge of the world. Because according to others, students today, leaders tomorrow. Thank you. Once again, I am Kyle Mendez. Good day and God bless. Thank you.